For data with GNSS processing, but there are places with bad GNSS quality, such as under the forest or within the urban complex, you can use the GNSS editing function to manually remove the poor quality GNSS points and then process the data again. Under the SLAM Process tab, open the Go to Trajectory and click Start. In the catalog tree, you can turn off the display of other data, and only display the GNSS trajectory. The software will directly filter out the poor quality GNSS points. The remaining lime green points are the better quality GNSS points, and the dark green points are the poor quality points. The overall quality of this data is quite good. There are only a few dark green GNSS points at the beginning of the trajectory. For bad quality points, you can click on the Delete by Polygon. Then you can delete the points in the 3D window. The quality of this data is fine, so take a section of it and delete it as a demo. If you made a mistake, you can restore it with the Cancel Selection button. Show GNSS controls the display of the GNSS catalog in the 3D window. In the left catalog tree, you can open the point cloud as a reference to see if it is under the forest or next to a building, to judge the scene factors affecting the GNSS. After editing the GNSS, click on Save GNSS to end the process and exit. Next, right-click on the process task in the left catalog tree. Open Register and click Optimize to re-optimize the data. Once optimization is complete, the results of the GNSS process are applied.